After everything we'd been through, I didn't think it would ever be possible to go back to school.
When we got married, my wife put college on hold to raise our 3 kids, and they're amazing. We decided to go out on our own and open up our own mortgage company, which we did very successfully for 10 years. At that time, the economy crashed, as we all know, and we fell into very hard times.
I kind of went, okay, we have 3 healthy kids. We have health ourselves. You know, we have a lot to be thankful for, and I was ready to move forward, whatever it was. So I went and I got 3 jobs at the time. I want my children to see that it takes hard work. It might be tough sometimes, but it's worth it.
The first time I heard about the ASU online program, I couldn't believe it. What I loved about it was that I was able to share it with a family member, and Shannon's always been looking to finish her degree.
I was stunned at first. I felt like a kid again, really. Just never thought I'd feel like that again. And now as an older adult with me going back and getting my education, I feel like it's completing me, fulfilling a dream, but also finishing a goal. I want to be an example for my children. I think it's important they see me doing something for me. I just feel like there's another part of me blossoming and growing that I had forgotten about.
Now I know every trip counts to Shannon's education, and that's exciting. That's fulfilling.
I'm excited for what the future holds.
Hi, Mom. Thank you for showing me how strong a woman can be and loving me and being the role model that I needed.
Mom, we know you are putting your heart and soul into this, and we are so proud of you. You are setting such a good example for us to follow.